Usa sa among mga trip jud ni Nicole as best friends. Best friends! Usa sa among mga trip jud ni Nicole mag-jogging, and today is a bit different kaya among trip is how's the ride? How's the ride? Comment down below. I've-answer ko na kahit ang mga questions from our social media. From our Instagram account. First imaginary question. Saan mo nag-meet ni Nicole? You answer.
Meet me sa balay na mo.
School o classmate ta?
Sa balay mo ta una nag-meet kay online class man to. Nag-meet me sa balay na mo tungod kay need mo video para sa TV. Kinsa yung una na itog din mo. Kaya answer.
Ang una na ibong namong duha is, of course, si Yang. How long have you been together?
If atong i-calculate the last it would be 3 months. 3 years. Kasi mas tiguang ninyo ba?
Perfect.
Say into sports.
Ang into sports namong duha is both of us kay akong sport. Sporty may duha pero mas naman siya sports. Mas naman siya sports, guys. Ang badminton.
Okay, guys. Ayaw!
Ang sa type of sports.
Badminton, football,
Ayun, siya dyan.
volleyball. Volleyball. May ito volleyball.
Basketball.
Oh, basketball court. Yeah, running. Yeah. Karon is hiking. Yeah, mountain
Climbing. Ako is karate do. I did karate do. See you on our next adventure.
Adventure na lang. See you on our next adventure.